Did you know thieves once pulled off the perfect heist by stealing $100 million in diamonds from the world's most secure vault? The Antwerp Diamond Center was a fortress. Heat sensors, radar detection, and a 3-foot steel door protected billions in precious gems. But Leonardo Notarbartolo had a plan. For 2 years, he rented an office in the building, studying every security pattern like a dedicated employee. He duplicated key cards, disabled cameras, and bypassed motion sensors with surgical precision. The most brilliant move? Using hairspray to fool the light sensors. Over one weekend in 2003, his team spent 27 hours cracking combination locks and emptying 123 safety deposit boxes. 10 layers of security defeated. The heist of the century was complete. But they made one fatal mistake. A half-eaten sandwich left in nearby woods contained DNA evidence. That single oversight unraveled an international criminal network and led to their capture. Perfect execution ruined by a forgotten lunch.